Hey guys, this is Armagan Shakil, and today we are talking about one of the biggest manufacturer of aircrafts, and as you already know it's Boeing. So, Boeing is an international American company that designs, manufactures and sells aircrafts, but they are not just limited to that. They also specialize in designing, manufacturing rotorcraft, rockets, satellites, telecommunication equipment, and missiles worldwide.
Six, five, four, three, two, one.
So, Boeing was founded in 1916 by American industrialist William E. Boeing, who founded it in Seattle, Washington. It was first named behind Boeing and William, later on which was changed to the Boeing Airplane Company in 1917. So the question arises is why 747? So 747 was introduced in 1968 due to increase in flight demands, and this decision was made by the lead engineer Joe Sutter. Joe Sutter planned to end the production of 737, and company went on to produce 747. So 747 is known as the Queen of Skies. Why? Because it's a long haul route aircraft and it has a twin aisle. It has a standard 343 configuration, and this aircraft took off for the first time in 1969, 9th February, and the first company to buy it in bulk was Pan Am, who took 25 747 as a first order. So the newest model Boeing is working on is 747-8. It was built behind the aircraft 787. It has the lightest body weight material with General Electric engine, which makes it the most efficient aircraft ever produced by Boeing. This configuration and engine choice makes this aircraft to fly 8,000 nautical miles as compared to the first model 747-100, which only flew 5,300 nautical miles. So where are these jumbo jets manufactured? These jumbo jets are manufactured in the world's largest warehouse located near Washington Everett. So this warehouse is a house of thousands of workers who perform their duties diligently for the maximum efficiency and no error product. So where are these aircrafts assembled? So pre-manufactured parts arrive from all over the world at the right time, which leaves the worker to only assemble his time. Individual components are assembled all over the world, like seals are assembled in Germany, wings element from China, and flaps from Australia. So each part of the aircraft fuselage is assembled in different companies. Boeing still takes the full responsibility for 100% safety. So let's talk about the most important component, wings. Wings are fastened by thousands of bolts by hands and not by robots, which are double checked. So this aircraft can load up to 58 tons of fuels, which is equivalent to fuel up to thousands of cars in each wing. So this aircraft, unlike all the other aircrafts in the industry, has its wing swept at the backward direction of 37.5 degrees, and this allows this aircraft to fly at a speed of 85 Mach, which is equivalent to 560 miles per hour. So let's have a look at the engine. So GE's quietest ever engine is being used in this aircraft, and that engine weighs up to 7 ton and costs up to $20 million, which makes it the most expensive component of this aircraft. So before embedding this equipment with the aircraft, Boeing runs a test to hang this engine with concrete tiles to see whether it can withstand the load or not. Let's have a look at the electrical wiring. So the difficult part of building up this aircraft is to run the 130 miles of wire for the assembly of this aircraft, which is later on checked by each team individually. So the final step is livery. So livery is done after assembling the aircraft. So each airline and each carrier have its own livery, which is later on painted or colored by the staff, and then the aircraft is sent to the carrier. So lastly, it comes down to finalization and inspections. So it takes 50 days to assemble and color a 747-8, after which some final tests are run to check the aerodynamics of the aircraft to see the wings, are they working properly or not, to see the flaps, to see that the aircraft can withstand the load, and to check the center of gravity, after which our 747-8 is completed, and then laterwards the aircraft is dispatched to the carrier who placed the order. So this is how our 747-8 is manufactured and assembled, and I think so that's pretty much it, guys, and that's it for today. Thank you very much. Keep supporting for more content. My name is Magan. Bye bye. Take care.